Welcome back to my channel. I have a Pioneer Woman haul to share with you. I didn't get a ton of things, enough that I thought that we could do a haul. Ever since getting my Pioneer Woman crock pot, I've been obsessed with everything Pioneer Woman. I can already tell you the next purchase that I'm going to make is the Pioneer Woman toaster and more than likely salt and pepper shakers because she has the most adorable line. I picked up the Pioneer Woman kitchen towels. These are in the print spring floral, and there's a set of 4 of these. They are $10, but they're huge. 16 inches by 28 inches. Here's the first print. How gorgeous is this? There's a red and a white, yellow and polka dotted. She does have a set of dishes that would go really nicely with these. Here's the other one. And they are thick, nice kitchen towels. And I did pick up one dipping bowl. This was $2.86, I believe, at Walmart. But just look at the beautiful print. This is in the print Breezy Blossoms. I only picked up one of these because Connor's usually the dipper, and I just thought that was really cute. I did have some from Dollar Tree, but they were plastic and the bottom cracked on all of them. So yeah, just picked up this one for him. I picked up 4 tumblers. These were 58 cents each. They are not Pioneer Woman. They are just plastic. Look at the set of those. There's 4, like I stated, and they're going to pair nicely with the next items I share with you. I just wanted a new set of dishes and wanted to start redoing my kitchen, basically. I picked up the Pioneer Woman Gorgeous Gardens dinnerware set. So you get 4 salad plates, 4 dinner plates, and 4 bowls. And there is 4 of these. I just grabbed one to share with you. Look at the beautiful print. I love that they're scalloped edges. They have dainty details, raised up like polka dot edge, and this beautiful floral pattern. I love turquoise and teal. Like, they're almost like a
Mama, look in the window.
They're like a minty shade. And these are dishwasher microwave safe, and they are stoneware dishes. They are nice and heavy. I'm in love with everything about these dishes. I love me some minty shades. They are more like spring and summery, but honestly I don't care. I'm going to use these year round. Love these. Isn't this print gorgeous? Here are the dinner plates, done in the same scalloped edges. And here's the bowl. I love the detailing on the bowl as well. And I love that it's not perfectly round. It's in the shape of kind of like scalloped edges, but like a flower. And the bowl looks like that. And you can tell, like I said, the tumblers are going to go really nicely with this set. I prefer plastic tumblers over glass cups. That's just a personal opinion. She did have some teal turquoisey kind of cups to go with these, but I just wasn't a fan of them. Otherwise I would have grabbed them to go with this. And that's my haul, you guys. That's my haul. Not much, but still enough I wanted to share with you. And just look at this gorgeous print. Well, Gorgeous Gardens is the name of the print. So thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Check the description box for additional links. And I thank you so very much for watching. I hope you all are having a blessed day.